I'm part of a few fabric destash groups on Facebook, and over the course of a few months I've managed to collect quite a lovely collection of historically appropriate fabric scraps. What I wanted to do is make this video a bit of a table of contents. So as I use up the fabric and make videos about the projects that I've used them in, I'll link them in the cards above so you can click on them and watch what I turned it into. I think that this is a great way to obviously recycle, but to hopefully give you guys some ideas on what you can do with a limited measurement of fabric and how it can fit into your historical or everyday wardrobe. As you can see, there is a pretty lovely selection of fabric, and I have made a few projects already, which will be coming out soon. I don't know what happened to my green and yellow paisley, but I did turn it into a pigeon cushion with an inside joke for a good friend of mine. So that will be my offering in place of an actual swatch of that fabric. Same with this little flowered calico. I made myself a matching pin cushion with hand-woven tape, and also a lining for my pineapple bag. There are a lot of possibilities with how these multiple projects could go, so make sure to keep checking back on this video to get your updated table of contents as those projects get released.